off the game. Concrete is where his fucking head bounce. And then I kept beating the body, nigga, head bounce. Yeah, I've been on my gang shit, been about a fucking long time since 5. Yeah, snapped under the quarterback and live. The crowd out, you under the quarterback and light the game out. Bitch, I'm about to gangsta drop. Bitch, I ain't bout to fucking pout, I ain't bout to bitch. Watch the bird fly off into the distance. This was something more than just this bitch shit, look. Gang GG, AK-47, bitch, quick whip. Yeah, bitch, I been up in the fucking business shit, dip. This wasn't always about the game, but it always been about the game, bitch. Bitch, I'm about to coast the smoke the folks, boast the boat. Bitch, you supposed to fucking brag and boast when you got it for sure. This was the coast, hey, close the phone, hey. P90 for your whole pioneer, yo. AK-47 hit you, bang your body, rock Harlem shit, yo. So, off the top I'm wealthy, harder than these other niggas think you can belt. It out yourself, nigga, keep say it with your chest, nigga. Can you play it with the belt? Can you play it with your power, G? Can you play it with your power, G? In here, she love me. She love me. Stepping up the rhythm, make it. Gotta power clean this motherfucking shit. Gotta power clean this 185, nigga, that's what you can lift. Gotta power clean everything, every day and shit. Nigga, power clean be about power and jerking. Nigga, clean jerk, nigga, working, yo. Nigga, it's the closest thing to running out the fucking track. Got the fucking pack. Yeah, gotta stay in shape for it's them niggas come surround you and you gotta bust that AK, keep it steady, hey. Gotta fall back on your back, hey. Gotta be here to take that impact, hey. Gotta be here for the distance or the cloudy or the mind. When you feeling that 9 hit your graves in your scalp. Gotta bounce back, gotta shake back, gotta pounce that back. Gotta bust that gap. Work up out of distance. It was power clean shit. It wasn't that too much of that bench press shit. It wasn't too much of really that squat and sling shit. I had to do the foul power clean bitch lift. Nigga dipped up in them hips and dip. Had to dip up in them hips to dip in your bitch. Had to dip up in them hips to get in the right way to reverse the stroke. Gang GG, AK-47 broke. Came up from broke, was not always rich. Had to make the biz quick, just whip it. Gang GG, AK slip. Your fucking wrist and you die. Place the shot, gain the shot, gain the rock. AK-47 hit you, dang, this game, this not a game, this rock. Rock, lift up if you can to top. Lift to top, push that boulder to the top and keep on breathing in the 5-step breath. When you taking breaths every 5 steps, bitch, I be running every 5-step breath. Then I'm trying to make it to that 6-step breath. Bitch, I'm grinding hard, I'm on the 4 breath. Bitch, I've been running for 45 minutes. Bitch, I've been running for 45 minutes, and I gotta keep running with the 4th-step breath. Bitch, I picked it up into a 5-step breath. Step breath. Gang G-A-K got methods. Bitch, this wasn't just always about the fucking AKs. Wasn't always about the fucking bitches. Wasn't always about the fucking business. Nigga, it can be about simple shit. Can make some more rhythms in the arithmetic. AK-47 hit you like this. Math equations, active stages, after bases, making the aquarium and shaking, spitting through these vibrations. And when I put the tune on, it make this sense. When I put the tune, it makes sense. It automatically makes sense. Wish it would give me another fucking 1-2 stepping tis. Bitch, I'm back in the bitch. Back in the business, I spit it like a fucking arithmetic. Like I was saying before I thought the fucking beat died. Bitch, I'm out here fucking live and it was cold dry. Weather, rhythms, weather was dry like it was a tundra. And my rock head wanna go run in the thunder. And my rock head wanna run in the clouds till it storm and it rain up on my body and shit. Till I come up out that shit I get ammonia. I'm a pandemonium. Bitch, out here been sickening, they twisted and shit through the corona. I was not 19, 27. Gang gang, concrete is where his fucking head bounce. And then I kept beating the body, nigga, head bounce. Yeah, I've been on my gang shit, been about a fucking long time since 5. Yeah, snapped under the quarterback in line. Then crowd out, you under the quarterback in. Light the game out. Bitch, I'm about to gangsta draw. Bitch, I ain't about to fucking pout, I ain't about to bitch. Watch the bird fly off into the distance.